UNT Preview is like a preview to what it's like going to UNT here on campus. You can meet admissions recruiters, future Eagles, and current Eagles to learn what college life is like for them right now. And I'm actually one of our Eagle ambassadors that gives tours right here on campus. But we're gonna explore our Hurley administration and do my favorite part of our tour, our Caw and Claw.
3, 2, 1, Caw!
My favorite part of UNT Preview is just being able to show people around campus. Like, I'll be able to truly geek out and show them what I fell in love with so they can too. My number one advice for people coming out on tour with me, imagine yourself as already as a student here at UNT. Imagine yourself walking to Willis Library with me to study or going to the Union to grab a little snack. And always bring a water bottle with you to get hydrated. See you all on campus, future Eagles. Go Mean Green!